Dr.BR Ambedkar ni Philsnichi Thwimani Salo the All India ST/SC Welfare Association elwaji sak Mumbai. Salo ONGC Mahila Samiti hall nogo Khaijakha asha blood donation camp. Manjaka ONGC ni ED Assistant Manager Sanjeev Kumar Chanchar no kobai dekuman atong rok.
Abo hagen asalo on the day of Mahaparnirban Divas ba Khaijakha. Abo hagen asalo on the day of Mahaparnirban Divas ba Khaijakha. Apandani bishingtino Thwimani panda ba Khaijakha. Abon yaglo no panda no tei kokshaka ONGC ni ED Asset Manager Sanjeev Kumar Janjar.
I would thank you, this our SCST Society, for arranging this blood donation camp, which is a very noble cause. The day, as we know, it is very important day in the life of Indians, as it is also a death anniversary of our beloved Dr. Baba Sahab Ambedkar, a truly loved leader who spent all his life fighting for marginalized people, trying to gain a respectable position for marginalized people in this India. He strived for equality and justice. Stressed, I think nobody will have doubts that his whole life was dedicated to upliftment of downtrodden, and so that we can have a very inclusive and equitable society. What a day to pay him tribute, and that too by arranging a blood donation camp, which itself is a life-saving cause. Because I was just going through, if we just donate, I am not very sure, maybe medical team can say, but if one donation, maybe it can help save 3 lives. That is what it was just mentioned. But anyway, blood donation is definitely a life-saving, and we should encourage and come forward to donate this to donate the blood. And our SCST association, they are not only very active while doing such kind of functions, but I have seen in my this tenure of 7 months that they are very, very proactive in each and every aspect of our operational assets, where they come forward whenever we have gone through a challenge, like in very remote areas where TTADC disturbance is there. Sometimes it is very difficult to carry out our jobs, and in many occasions I remember that
Khorang Chini Khorang.